Hi everybody, good week. Vladimir here with you again. And after 1 week with the flu, it's time to get back to the market and begin with the new moves that the market is preparing for us. So let's go over the charts that I saw and the opportunities we will have during this week. And I really hope that you take advantage of the last trades, last potential that I was talking about few weeks ago, such as euro dollar and the British pound dollar. Few weeks we followed the divergence that was created on the daily chart, right? You remember this one? That the chart was going up and the MACD was going down. And last week, suddenly and unfortunately, when I was sick, we got this down move from here, and it was pretty powerful, close to 600 pips move, very powerful. So what can we expect for as for now? Let's begin with the dollar yen, because this is the first pair that I think will go up for the next weeks. And that's why, because first of all, it almost reached 84. Level 84 is a very powerful, very strong support line, and it was almost there. And as for now, it looks like we have some block, some stop right here. The histogram, as you can see, begins to rise again. That means that the down move probably stopped, and we should go for lower time frames and look for opportunities to get into the trade. The daily charts gives us this bullish divergence, as we can see the lower lows on the chart and lower lows and higher lows, sorry, on the MACD. That means that dollar yen probably will go up and rise more and more. 86.30, this level close to here, right here. This is still a resistance. 86.30.40. It's still a resistance. So when we close above this level, this will be our signal to go long. One of the minuses with this trade, because that the stop loss should be below 84. That means the stop loss is pretty big, but the target is open, and we can easily expect for some 400 or 500 pips move during the next weeks. We can expect a move until these levels, 88 or maybe even 89 again, at least at the first target, and then we can even see 92, 93 the target, but it's still a big target. Let's begin with the first one, which is 88, 89. This is the first target for this dollar yen pair. So look for daily close above 86.30, and this will be our signal. The next opportunity we do have is on Canadian franc. We were looking a few weeks ago above. No, sorry, a few weeks ago we looked for this opportunity right here, right? We had some sideways moves, and we talked about breaking up or down from these sideways moves. It broke up, but the retrace was too powerful, and it retraces full back. This was a not successful trade, and we lost this one. But as for now, we can see just new range, right? Just new range for these sideways moves, right? And we can even see a potential bullish divergence right here. So around these levels, around the equal level 1, we can look for opportunity to go long again. And of course, if it breaks up again this resistance line 103.50, we can go long again. This is the Canadian franc, alright, the Canadian against the franc daily chart. Another opportunities that we can look for is the majors, the euro dollar and the British pound dollar, and let's begin on them with them. The euro dollar daily chart, this is the daily chart. We had a powerful down move. We can see, I don't know if it will happen this way, but we can see a potential beginning of creating of head and shoulders. Maybe if the euro will stop here and create some new shoulder, it will be new head and shoulders, and then we can expect for a down move. But it's only a guess, so don't take it something that must happen. But another thing that can happen easily is this one. Take a look. We have a uptrend line, right? The euro can stop on this line. We have a hidden bullish divergence right here and on the MACD as well between the lows, right? And this means that in the next week and the next day, sorry, the euro will probably stop somewhere close to these levels, create and complete a hidden bullish divergence, make some up move that will be a correction for the big and serious downtrend move during the previous week, and then we can after this correction we can expect for another down move. But for now, let the big downtrend move stop. All right, and in the next few days, look at the euro to stop somewhere until 126.50, not more of that, not more. Even higher will be better, and look for completing the bullish hidden divergence and then some candle pattern and then go long. All right, the stop loss of course should be below the last low. You know the first, you know the the minimum money management. Close the first target after 100 pips, 80%, and let the 20 run. Anyway, if there is a trade, I will signal if there is something good for us. Alright, so what do we have next with the British pound? The same situation. We have a uptrend line, correct? We can see a potential bullish divergence, right? Hidden divergence also on the MACD histogram. That means that during the 3-4 days the British pound should stop, create bullish candle pattern. If it is, and the stochastic cross, you know the rules with the with trading the hidden divergence, then go long, stop loss below the last low, and the first target close. It's a daily chart, so close it after 100 plus pips, close 80% and let it 20% run until we see some blocks, some stop signs. Alright, so this is about the euro and the British pound. Probably we will see during the next days some opportunities. And the last one, the previous one before last one, this is the euro British pound. We have a beautiful support line right here, close to 0.81, even a little lower. Let the euro pound go there, right? And we can see that it can try during the next some weeks, because it's a weekly chart. It can try to create a bullish divergence. Okay, it's a weekly chart. It will take time, but it's worth to look for this pair once a week. And the big news coming from the indices, take a look. This is a DAX. I have nothing more to say beside this. We have triple top, we have an engulfing, we have powerful bearish divergence right here. It's strong bearish divergence from long time ago. It's a weekly chart. That means that probably the DAX will go down very strong, very strong during the next weeks. Okay, look to sell the indices, and especially the DAX, because the opportunity is here. I wish you a great week and profitable week. I'm glad to be here back with you. Goodbye, Vladimir.